Top 10 Best-Selling SUVs in the World. Number 1. The Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 is a popular midsize SUV known for its stylish design, comfortable interior, and enjoyable driving experience. With an Edmunds rating of 8.1 out of 10, it is considered a solid choice in its segment. The starting manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, for the Mazda CX-50 ranges from $30,300 to $43,300, depending on the trim level and optional features selected. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Mazda CX-50 offers a combined miles per gallon rating of 25 to 27, making it a relatively fuel-efficient option for drivers seeking a balance between performance and economy. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a popular compact SUV known for its reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. With an Edmunds rating of the 8th of January 10, it is well regarded in its class. The manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, for the Honda CR-V ranges from $29,500 to $40,200 depending on the trim level and optional features. In terms of fuel efficiency, the CR-V offers a combined miles per gallon ranging from 29 to 40, making it an economical choice for buyers looking for a versatile and efficient SUV. Number 3. The Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a popular compact crossover SUV known for its stylish design, engaging driving dynamics, and upscale interior. Here is a comprehensive summary of selling the Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 has received a solid rating of 8.1 out of 10 from Edmunds, indicating it is well regarded in the automotive industry for its overall performance, features, and value. The manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, for the Mazda CX-5 typically ranges from $29,300 to $40,600 depending on the trim level and optional features chosen. This pricing places the CX-5 in the mid-range of its segment in terms of cost. Number 4. The Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a popular midsize SUV known for its combination of style, comfort, and affordability. With an Edmunds rating of 8.2 out of 10, the Sorento has garnered positive reviews from experts in the automotive industry. The starting manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, for the Kia Sorento ranges from $31,990 to $47,390, depending on the trim level and optional features chosen. Number 5. Honda Passport. The Honda Passport is a midsize SUV that has received a rating of 8.1 out of 10 from Edmunds. The manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, for the Honda Passport ranges from $41,900 to $47,970. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Honda Passport offers a combined miles per gallon of 21. The Honda Passport is positioned as a competitive option in the midsize SUV market segment, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and utility at a relatively affordable price point compared to some of its rivals.